What does it say on top of the box? The blue.
Open first.
Okay, Daddy. I'm gonna pause it and you open it.
You have to open all of it first.
What's in there?
What's in there? Look.
What's that?
Oh.
That's the shipping instructions.
They put some toys in there. They put a surprise for me in there.
What is it? What? Is this music?
I can want this. Can you open this up for me?
All right, let's pause.
Right.
You like it, brother? Awesome. Lily's turn. Woohoo!
Yes.
Okay, go.
Hi! I popped open over like this.
Okay, are you ready? You got 2 more boxes. Are you ready to open it up?
Look at this. Then I see a computer inside.
Okay, here's Daddy. Pause. What? What?
Lots of boxes.
More boxes.
More boxes.
Okay, let's pause. Go.
My turn.
Alright, Levi. get in
Lily,
there.
show me what that is. Did you find a book over there?
Yeah.
Let's open up the little boxes first, Daddy. See what's inside of those. Okay.
See? I'm excited for my homeschool. I ripped this book.
Be careful. Be careful of the boxes. We have to use those boxes again. Open it up, Lily. Let's see what's in it.
My homework. What's this?
It's a chalkboard.
Lots of books.
Ooh, I love books. Letters and numbers for me. Language arts. K12 reading out loud treasury. Ooh, be careful. Another book. Language arts. Peter the Rabbit. Or sorry, Peter Rabbit. Kindergarten. Language arts again. Lesson guide. Ooh, look at all these
Stickers.
stickers. Yes.
Rhyme time. A snowy day.
Dad. It's so dirty on my
A
hand.
chair for my mother.
That's awesome.
Dad, stop it.
No, this doesn't say Dad, stop it. It
Oh.
says the rooster grows.
Rooster crows.
No, it's grows, Daddy.
It grows. Now let's open
I would
the
say
next
it's the rooster
one.
crows.
Well, then that's confusing.
Guys, now let's open the next one.
Patience, bud.
World.
Dad,
Or word. No, world.
Books we have.
A
There's
story,
so many
story.
books.
My
Whoa.
goodness. Tiki tiki timbo.
I remember that book.
No. World. World.
Let's,
A
there's
calendar.
so many.
Make way for duck.
Oh. Okay.
No more.
Let's open that. There's
Hold
even.
on, let me see
But
it.
Lily, say, but wait. There's more.
But wait, there's still more. And there's one more open.
Okay, gentle, gentle. Go. Oh, oh. Wait for Daddy. Wait, Lily, wait for Daddy. Go.
Poppers.
Woohoo!
Oh my goodness.
That's for all your schoolwork.
All right. What are
I think those
those?
are probably flashcards.
Let me see.
Can I have that? Eraser.
Oh, they're dry erase flashcards.
Markers.
Dry erase markers. Dry erase boards. I think this is the phonics area.
And
This
where's
is for you to work on your handwriting.
Levi, look. There's 1, 2. There's 2 of these in there.
You can do it
Okay.
with us, brother. And there's
Right,
those are
Jenny's turn.
magnets.
Magnets.
Yay.
And a security book.
Okay.
Okay, pause. Oh, hey, you.
2 2 more boxes and Daddy's opening one more.
Okay, here we go. What's in there?
More poppers!
Woohoo! Oh, that's loud.
Nothing. Levi, you get this one.
Phonics words.
Good job.
Sight words. Phonics
Be
workbooks.
gentle with them. Look. Be gentle. Look, Lily.
Oh.
Be gentle with them.
Phonics Works lesson guide. Phonics
A
Works
Bible.
activity book. It's a Bible?
Phonics Works Lesson Guide Basic.
Okay. How many more
Book
boxes
one.
do we have left?
One more. 3 boxes on the ground.
Okay.
Let's go on the bottom.
Hey, get off the table, please. Okay.
I bet this one is my computer.
I hope so. Okay, what's in it?
What's in it? Boxes!
More boxes. Okay.
2, 3, 4.
How many boxes were in that box, Lily? Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job,
1,
guys.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Which one do you want to open first?
This one.
Okay.
This one, the box.
Lily, how are you feeling right now while we're waiting for Daddy to open?
Good. I'm happy and excited. I'm excited that truck come here.
You like the UPS truck? Okay, what's in there?
What?
Uh-oh,
More
uh-oh, uh-oh.
popper.
Uh-oh, Daddy. What?
Popper.
Levi gets the poppers.
Oh, that is a globe that we're going to blow up. Let me see that book. All
I guess we're
right,
gonna have
awesome
a
magic. Story about Ping.
Hey, I think we have this book.
I think we do. Fernando.
A story about Ferdinand.
Or Ferdinand. Mommy needs this just as much as Lily does.
This is my favorite part.
Thank you, son.
Mommy's reading through the phone is what it is. There's a glare. There's a glare.
Paper. Paper. A map.
A map.
Map.
Ooh, we can add that one to our
let's
book.
see this.
No.
Oh,
Oh, all right.
love
I'll turn it
it.
over.
It's a.
Oh, what?
It's a whole nice.
Where's Tennessee?
Tennessee is right there.
Where's Kansas?
Kansas is in the middle.
Where's Oklahoma? Where's Texas? Where's Florida? Where's California?
California.
Remember which one California is?
Good
That's
job,
right,
Levi.
buddy. Where's Alaska? Where's Hawaii? Where's Maine? Where's Washington? Where is Montana? Where
Whoa, you guys are
is
faster than me.
Michigan.
Michigan.
That's right, sound it out.
Michigan.
No, that's Massachusetts.
It's close.
Michigan, remember this Michigan is the one next to the 5 lakes.
The Great Lakes.
Paper? Really?
Ta-da!
Good job.
Where's Nevada?
Nevada.
We used to live there.
Oh, Nevada's right there.
Where is Alabama?
Alabama's right
The one
there.
that starts with an A. Where's Mississippi?
Mississippi. Oh, Mississippi is right there.
Where's North Carolina?
North Carolina?
I like how you said that. North
North.
Carolina.
Do you remember which one North Carolina is,
It's
Levi?
on this-
Nope. North Carolina is...
On the silly music. there
North...
were
Nope, that's North Dakota. You're right, that's a North Dakota. Levi, shh, shh, shh. Where is the state that you call Grandma State? North Carolina right there.
And North
Okay.
Where's Minnesota?
Minnesota.
Good job. All right, that's enough for now.
Yeah.
Okay, keep on going. I love Madeline. That is one of my favorite characters and books.
That's a big one.
Let's do
History.
that one. How did
Okay,
that
pause.
All right,
Oh, you're
pause.
having so fun. Love you. Okay, let's.
one?
Oh,
No, we're still.
I know. Pause. I'm waiting.
There's Levi.
Oh, we got a Levi from K12 too. How cute.
Lily,
I think
throw him
we'll
the
keep
poppers.
it. I think we'll keep him.
It's really
Should we keep him?
Mommy really had him.
Oh, we already had him. Okay. More poppers. You're the popper machine, brother.
Hey, it's just popper stuff.
Oh, I think
It's
there's
just
more
popper
there.
stuff.
Oh my goodness, what?
Oh.
Goggles!
I wonder
This is
what's
for
in there.
science stuff.
Goggles! Oh,
That's for science.
I bet this is a science one.
That's a tube.
And look at this. A
Open
thermometer?
That is for.
it. A thermometer.
And
Oh.
look, Lily, what's this?
A magnifying glass. Let me see how hot it is outside.
Well, let's wait.
We'll do it later.
Lily, put it back. Put it back. We've still got 3 more boxes to open.
All right, put it in
Ooh,
there.
I'm getting-
Open the goggles.
I'm getting tired.
Let me
Do
see
that
how hot
later.
you are.
Thank you.
Pretty
Mine is
hot.
98.9.
That's it?
Daddy.
Okay. Here's it.
You don't need that.
Wait.
More books. Paper. Ah! This is paint stuff. This is art.
Is this art? It is.
Oh, my part.
No, thank you.
Look with me. Ooh, yes, we'll open that later.
Thank you.
Oh.
That mommy needs this.
Really? No, that's mine.
You're right.
I will share with you.
You will. I'll love you.
If you like to do art over.
No.
Nope, we still got 2 more boxes.
Yeah. They just lifted the table.
Levi, don't. That's yucky ducky.
Oh, sorry.
Ooh, what's this?
A pop-up paper.
Are these blocks?
What?
We gotta keep these boxes. Don't rip them, okay? Whoa.
Oh, this
This
your
is for math.
homework.
Ooh, look at that big
There's
math book.
another map.
Awesome. All right, let's leave it in there. Last box.
Wonder what it could be, Lily.
Where's my
I
computer?
don't know. Maybe it's coming tomorrow.
Maybe it's in this.
Well, it could be in that.
Whoa, what's in there?
Look, there's another going to be.
Bar magnet,
It's a blue new.
Big Dipper, another world map, or is that from the other time? What's a live book?
No computer today. This is your science homework.
I really like a computer.
Good job, Lily.
Maybe tomorrow.
How are you feeling?
Are you excited?
Tell the
I'm
camera.
super excited.
Are you in kindergarten? Are you homeschooled of kindergarten? You would get one of these if you're homeschooled of kindergarten. But I do not want to get a shot.
Yes.
If you don't want to get a shot, then you would go to kindergarten.
I love you.
Bye
Should they do comments down below if they're going?
Yeah,
to
and if you also go to kindergarten, go do phonics, homework, and science, and art, and games, and smell, and taste, and see, and thinking, and hear.
Whoa, like that?
Levi!
That's loud. Oh, okay, I can't handle that.
Okay, all done.
Okay. Well,
All right.
love you. Say bye.
Bye!
Give a thumbs up.
Give a thumbs up if you like it.
See ya.
Bye!